In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your GasBuddy username. Whether you've outgrown your old username or just want a fresh start, updating it is a straightforward process. Let's dive into the steps to make this change quickly and easily. First things first, you'll need to open up the GasBuddy website. Make sure you're signed into your account. If you're not already logged in, simply enter your login details. Once you're in, look towards the top of the page where you'll find your profile icon. This is usually represented by a small avatar or your current profile picture. Click on this icon to open up a menu. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select the option labeled My Account. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your account settings. Look for the section called Your Profile. This is where you'll have the opportunity to make changes to your personal information, including your username. Once you're on the Your Profile page, you'll notice a pencil icon. This icon is your gateway to editing your details. Click on the pencil icon, which will bring up the option to Edit Username. It's important to choose a new username that reflects your current preferences, and remember, it should be unique and easy to remember. After you've clicked Edit Username, you'll see a field where you can enter your new username. Take a moment to think about what you'd like it to be. Once you've decided, type in your new username. Double-check to ensure there are no typos or unwanted spaces. When you're satisfied with your choice, go ahead and save your changes. And just like that, you've successfully changed your GasBuddy username. This simple update allows you to personalize your account to better suit your needs. If you ever need to change it again, you can follow these same steps. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and easy to follow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Have a great day.